Hello and welcome everyone, this is Omar El Hadi again with another GIS tutorial, and today we want to learn how to quickly generate some shadows for your building's footprint. So, as I said, we want to create some shadows for our building's footprint. But keep in mind, guys, we are not considering the height of these buildings, okay? We just want to add some shadow touch to our maps, and we are just doing it for fun. But if you search Google, you can actually find a script for generating shadows for your building considering a height field, okay? So just look up the GIS Exchange and you will find that. For now, let's see how we can do this the dirty way. So, assuming that you have downloaded the data, from the description below you will find this layer, buildings layer, within the archived file. So, drag it inside ArcMap and here how it looks. The next step is copying this file, right click, copy, and again right click, paste in the same folder. By the way, if you do not have this window, you can toggle it from here. So copy the file and paste it again in your folder. So now we have two shapefiles, buildings layer and buildings layer copy. Now right click the latter one and from edit features select start editing. Again right click the layer, from selection choose select all, and now from editor choose move. We are going to move these features with the specified values from the same map units. So my coordinate system is UTM and my unit is meter. So I'm going to write down 4 and for the Y -4. So what I'm doing here is that I'm moving the features in the X axis by 4 meters and in the Y axis by -4 meters. So as you see, this is the X axis and this is the Y axis. When you say I want to move this feature 4 meters in X axis, so you are moving it like this in the positive X direction, and -4 means in this direction, right down. Okay, so we are moving the features exactly in this direction, diagonally, -4 and +4. So let's head back and hit enter. Deselect everything and zoom in to notice the difference. Great, now let's change the symbology. For the fill color, let's choose gray 80 and we do not need outline color. Okay. Next, from the properties of this layer and from the display tab, let the transparency be 60%. Yes, the final step is dragging and dropping this layer under our main layer. Full extent, and here's our map. Don't forget to save your edits, add some base maps, and export your map. So, thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.